Hi everyone, welcome back to Listen Up with Sim and Isha, where we dive into real conversations about life, personal growth, and everything in between. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you, so turn up the volume and listen up. Hi everyone, welcome back to the first episode of the new year of Listen Up with Sim and Isha. I am very excited. Hi Simran, how is the new year feeling?
I am so happy. Finally. I literally was crawling through 2024 December. I was like, I can't wait for 1st of January.
I am with you, ठीक है? I am with you
ऐसा
on that one. Like first जनवरी तक मुझे बस reach करना था. एक दिन ऐसा आ चुका था where I was like बस first जनवरी पहुंचना है किसी तरह. Last year was a whirlwind.
Allah.
I don't know what it
Well,
was.
yeah. And I've spoken to so many friends. I think you and I have spoken as well. Like last year
Yes.
was really like it was a hell of a year. Like it was
It was a
not
hell
a
of a
bad
year.
year. Yeah, I won't say it was a bad year. I won't say it was a good year. I think it was just a year which just taught us so much, you know. Like everybody I know went through a lot of difficult things, maybe a little bit, maybe a lot, you know, depending on people. But yeah, I just felt it was like a year which was trying to teach us a lot, you know. So yeah.
Oh, I definitely agree. I think हमने lessons वाला episode बहुत जल्दी in the year बना दिया था. Because even in the end days, I felt कि मुझे lessons मिले हैं. And the last year was, you know, and like you said, it's not just me. I felt it around myself. The energy was heavy last year. But वो सब हम पीछे छोड़ेंगे. I know it's only been a few hours
Weeks.
that this episode is, yes. But we are setting that, you know, leaving that energy in the last year. And
Yes.
because it's new year, हमने सोचा कि first episode, what should we talk about? And I think both of us agree कि mindset. हम नया साल एक different mindset के साथ start करना चाहते हैं. And to be very specific, growth mindset के साथ. Because हम नए साल में we are only, you know, we're not striving for perfection. We are just growing individually and together. Like that is the idea this year.
I agree, and I also feel like the months that I've had a very tough December. Like it's been one of the toughest months. And my November and December has been really something. And even though it's like my birthday month, I think it's also the month which just taught me so much. Like I was dealing with a lot of pain, a lot of heartbreak, a lot of grief, losing people, losing things, you know, starting over. There was a lot of stuff in my life which made me just be like, you know, if I don't make that switch in my head as I'm stepping into the next year, I will just take all that, you know, to the next year. ऐसा होता है ना कभी कभार तुम्हारे साथ कुछ हो जाता है and you keep holding on to it and then you know it becomes like a baggage and then you start feeling like heavy with everything, you know. I was feeling heavy, like that was my energy. So that's why I'm like it's time to just make that click and switch in your head and be like, I don't want to be like that anymore. I don't want to live like that anymore. You know, I want different. That's what I want.
कई बार अपने आप को ना शेक करना पड़ता है, लिटरली शेक करना पड़ता है कि यार झटको अपने आप को इस चीज से, लाइक गेट आउट ऑफ दिस
उठो
हाँ
उठो अभी उठो, I swear, because you can get very stuck in that space, you know.
Of course यार, और इतनी हैवी और मतलब वो बिकॉज वो धीरे धीरे बिकॉज वो बहुत देर से चल रही होती है, काफी इलोंगेटेड हो जाती है, वो कंफर्ट स्पेस बन जाती है. ऑल्दो इट्स वेरी सैड एंड वेरी डल, बट तुम्हारी कंफर्टेबल स्पेस एक सैड और डल स्पेस बन जाती है. इमेजिन दैट. इसीलिए बहुत जरूरी है अपने इनर डायलॉग को बदलना. आप अपने आप से कैसे बात कर रहे हो, अपने आप से आप एक ही टोन में बात कर रहे हो पिछले कुछ हफ्तों से, स्विच मारो. नहीं, लीव दैट टोन बिहाइंड. डोंट टेक इट विद यू फॉरवर्ड. क्योंकि फिर where will growth come from, where will a little bit of change come from? I know बहुत क्लीशे लाइन है, growth is outside your comfort zone, but बहुत ही ज्यादा सही लाइन है. वो कंफर्टेबल स्पेस जितनी ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव है उतनी ही ज्यादा आपके लिए आई थिंक नेगेटिव भी है. इट्स रॉन्ग फॉर यू. डोंट स्टे इन दैट.
Yeah. And I think like one of those cliche lines and all these things we hear, they are actually so true. And maybe it's because we ignore them. That's why we don't, you know, like sometimes we have to listen to these things because they're not wrong what they're saying. It's simple, but we don't apply the simple in our life, you know.
We never
it's
apply
simple.
हम कभी करते ही नहीं. हम
हमें
लोग
चाहिए
क्लीशे बोल
instant
के
fix. हाँ.
Yes.
हमें चाहिए instant.
रील्स. हमारा टाइम स्पैन इतना छोटा हो गया कि अब हमसे 7 सेकंड्स भी बेयर नहीं हो रहे. अब हमें और जल्दी चाहिए. 3 seconds fixes हम ढूंढ रहे हैं. I agree with you, but actually it doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
एंड आई नो हम थोड़ा टॉपिक से हट गए. हम आज माइंडसेट की बात करने वाले हैं और हाउ वी चेंज दैट इनर डायलॉग फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. बेसिकली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सिचुएशंस, सिमरन, जिसमें हम दोनों ने फील किया है दैट वी हैव बीन इन अ शिटी माइंडसेट and somehow we've found a way through it. I think that will be a good way of explaining what we're trying to explain also, and also like the audience will be able to relate and apply it more easily. What do you say?
100%. So I'm gonna start with my story, which is a funny one. But so my parents were flying out in November to London, and I was very happy, very excited. There was an important thing that this is the reason why they also came to visit me, because there was an important thing that everybody wanted to do when we were all together. It was planned, everybody was excited for the day. Imagine, my parents have flight, I have flight, we're all in London and we're excited to go to this thing. And it was a big step that I was taking in my life. And I was very happy about it. Everyone was excited about it. The day that we are supposed to, actually meet and take things ahead, and, things were going to become better in my, in my life, let's say, that is the day I get the news that one of my friends has suddenly died in a car accident, tragically passed away. It was absolutely sudden. There was, like, I couldn't even believe it when I heard it. He has a wife who was pregnant, who was in the car with him when he passed away. And she did not. Thankfully, she survived. And now she carries his child, who's not even born. She's due in delivery in January 2025. So it was just a very, very, very tough moment for me, because instantly, of course, I was dealing with the grief and the sadness of hearing the news. First was that, like, it was not, I didn't even accept it till I heard the news. Second, the thing that I was going to do, which was positive for me and, a big step for me, suddenly felt like I felt guilty for, doing anything, because it felt like, my friend has just lost everything. His wife, who's also a friend of mine, I can't even imagine what she's going through. And here I am, like, with everything, in my life. And there was a lot of guilt, a lot of shame, a lot of blaming on myself. And, like, I went into this space where, like, I'm like, maybe it's a bad omen, maybe I shouldn't take this step in my life. You go into this
I know.
negative.
You feel
when
it's
जब कुछ
jinxed now,
अच्छा
I get
करना
it.
चाहो, एग्जैक्टली, तुम कुछ अच्छा करने जाओ और कुछ बुरा हो जाए वही दिन पे, तो ऐसा लगता है हम कुछ गलत स्टेप ले रहे हैं क्या?
गलत.
शायद हमें नहीं वो स्टेप लेना चाहिए. And I started feeling, is this like a bad omen? Maybe I shouldn't take this step in my life, But then you have to really understand that when things happen like this, you have to take time to, first of all, sit with it, understand it, grieve about it, cry about it, let your emotions out, and then you can only start to think rationally about it. And this was the beginning of end of November, beginning of December for me. Even through December, I heard of many other people having losses. Another person who I lost, there was a second death that I had to attend. I had 2 funerals within 3 weeks that I did. And there was just so much happening while my parents are here, and it's supposed to be a good, happy thing. And that good, happy thing turned into a not so very good, happy thing, right? And it was just a lot of good and bad coexisting. And I had to tell myself, but there came a point ki I could sit with it. Yes, I did sit with it. I cried with it. I had bad days where I didn't want to get out of bed. Yeah. But somewhere towards the end of December, I realized that if I stay here, I'm going to literally start the year in this space, and I'm going to believe everything negative that my life has shown me.
I know.
And I refuse to do that. I refuse to believe that life is suffering. Life is not suffering. Life is beautiful. Life is winning. And yes, when there's suffering happens, pain happens, crap happens in your life, you lose a job, you lose a relationship, you lose a house. Things happen to teach you something, even if you can't understand it. And you have to trust that there's something like timing. If things are not working, it's okay. Take 5 steps back. There's nothing wrong with that. I took my time in December to do nothing so that now in January, I can make that mindset switch. I can tell myself that this problem has come, I have to learn from it. This setback is not a failure. It is just a stepping stone. And I will know when I look back 3 months from now in, April or March, I will see and I'll tell myself, oh, now I understand why I went through all this.
I know. ये
But
तो होता ही है
yeah,
सिमरन. मतलब लाइफ
so yeah.
में तुम्हें तब नहीं दिख रहा होता, और this is the I think one of the hardest lessons that I've learned कि तुम्हें तब नहीं समझ में आ रहा होता मेरे साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है. But eventually it does make sense. And आज तक evidence देख लो, in the last 28 years of my life, it has always made sense eventually. तो आगे भी होगा ही ना, चाहे आज मेरे साथ कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो फिर मैं ये नहीं सोच सकती ना कि क्यों हो रहा है. मैं ये सोच सकती हूँ ना, यही पर मैं अपने आप को बोल सकती हूँ कि यार अगर पिछले 28 years में it's always made sense, चाहे उस दिन नहीं, but eventually it has made sense, तो आगे भी it will make sense. And I know sometimes it's just unfair. Sometimes you just don't.
It's unfair. And sometimes there are no answers. And you have to be okay with that as well. Stop digging for the answers as well. It's fine.
वो बहुत मुश्किल lesson है. To stop digging for the answers. To just accept कि यार तब तुम्हें नहीं पता था. You just didn't know any better. ये बहुत बड़ा lesson है जो तुम्हें लेना पड़ता है कई बार. Just to accept I did not know any better. So me personally, I've been through this phase in the last 2 years rather. मतलब मैं ऐसा बोलूँगी कि there has been a particular incident where I felt a lot like यार how did I not know this at 25? How did I not know this at 26? And now when I know it better, I'm trying to improve on it, but वो पिछले 25 सालों का guilt मैं छोड़ नहीं पा रही. और मैं उस पर वर्क कर रही हूँ. मैं उसको अपने आप को रोज रिमाइंड कर रही हूँ, मतलब कि यार इट्स ओके अगर तुझे तब नहीं पता था. somebody taught me this and I really like this कि when you are in a situation where you don't know what to do, just cover all your bases. Learn to cover all your bases. मतलब ये देखो what are the 4 or 5 things in your reach that you can actually handle. वो कर लिए, you need to move forward. then तुम अपनी लाइफ नहीं रोक के बैठ सकते because तुमने वो पिछली चीजें नहीं की. So I love that. और फिर अगर हम हेल्थ की बात करते हैं, let's say somebody is going through a very tough disease, or somebody is fighting some disease. If you've covered all your bases, जो तुम्हें पता है, in your knowledge you've done all things, you would then have to just let it be. उसके बाद रिजल्ट्स का वो जो होता है कि यार मैंने 10 चीजें कर ली और वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा मुझे आज के आज, उसको छोड़कर आगे बढ़ना पड़ता है और करते जाना पड़ता है. So I think ये मैंने अपनी जर्नी में भी एक्सपीरियंस किया, और ये मेरे को कवर और बेसिस वाली चीज मुझे हेल्प करती है मेरा माइंडसेट शिफ्ट करने में कि rather than thinking कि why it is happening to me, to thinking कि what does it teach you,
100%. My favorite lesson in everything. Not why is this happening to me, what is this trying to teach me?
Yes.
How can I learn from it? How can I grow? How can I change? And how can I become better? Because there's always a better waiting for you. There's always a better waiting for you.
Yeah. Even I do the small thing. So because there's last year heavy tha, so there was long periods of wait. So now rather than seeing what is this trying to teach me, I'll start praying कि teach me the lesson quickly. जल्दी मुझे इसमें नहीं रहना. Like please stop this right here. So and मुझे वो lesson जल्दी सिखा दो. My best friend also does this. Sometimes she'll just call me and she'll tell me कि यार ईशा इसका lesson क्या है, तो ही बता दे so that we can move on.
You please tell me. Please email me right now. So
please tell me.
We can move.
I'm ready for the lesson.
I see. And I feel like in your adversities, there is, you go through this, and it's important for you to understand that there is a reason, there is timing in life.
Of course.
And that is where growth mindset comes in. You have to believe that there is timing, there is reason why things have come in, why failures have happened, why setbacks have happened, why people are criticizing you.
Yes.
It's not about you. It's about becoming a better version of you. And that version exists. Don't slip into victim mode. Don't, be like, oh, nothing works for me. Nothing ever works for me. This is too difficult. I can't do it. This is not for me. If you're going to keep talking this way, अगर आप खुद को ये चीजें बोलते रहोगे, फिर वो आप हो, और आपकी जिंदगी वही है फिर. आप हो विक्टिम बिकॉज आपने चूज किया.
चूज कर लिया विक्टिम. बहुत इजी है. हाँ, विक्टिम लाइफस्टाइल को चूज करना, विक्टिम मेंटालिटी को चूज करना बहुत इजी है, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ करना नहीं है. You just have to be.
Absolutely. And I'm not not validating your feelings.
No.
Yes,
definitely.
You're allowed to be sad. You're allowed to cry. You're allowed to have all the pain in the world. But do that for 7 days. Do that for 14 days. Do it for a month. After some point, you need to get up. And you need to save yourself because nobody's coming to save you.
Yes.
Newsflash.
Yeah, nobody.
Nobody is coming
Nobody
to save
ever
you.
does. I have friends who've been going through horrible breakups, horrible, relationships, situations have been happened with them, and over months, ठीक है? And as much as I want to help that friend, I can't do it for him. That is the end of the story. मैं उसकी जगह जाकर नहीं कर सकती. Every day I can remind that is something I can do, but करना उसी को पड़ेगा. And then I just keep telling him, find the next thing to hold on to. Maybe start, change one thing in your lifestyle that is keeping you going forward. That's how I, sometimes support that friend. But that is it. I can only support. Like you are saying, karna khud hi padega. Nobody can do it for you. And it's a very hard lesson. Nahi kar sakta koi aapke liye aake. You have to sometimes sit in that shit and then get out of it yourself. Like, it's not a good place.
Clean it up yourself and clean up your mess and get up and walk out. And yes, we'll all be there. People will come in and out to support you. You'll have friends, you'll have family. Maybe you won't have friends or family. But whatever it is, no matter who you are, you have to take charge of your life. No matter how supported or unsupported you are, ultimately it comes down to you.
It does.
And that's where growth mindset kicks in. That if you want the next year to be different, I want the next year to be different. Isha,
I want the next year to be very different. I'm very hopeful for the next year to be different.
Amazing. And I'm sure if you're listening to this, if you want the next year to be different, type it in the comments and say, I want the next year to be different. And the next year will be different. Type that in because it really starts with your mindset. And that's why today me and Isha thought, let's start talking about the mind first.
Yes.
Because if you don't make this switch here, I can give you all the manifestations and goal trackers and all the self-help books in the world. But Isha and I can't help you till you don't.
Yeah, exactly. You cannot feel threatened by life anymore. You have to feel inspired by life.
Absolutely. Yes. Because
life is not coming at you. It's not coming at you. You are flowing with life.
Nobody's out to get you.
Exactly.
Nobody. Yeah. The universe doesn't have something against you. No. Don't stop making that your narrative. And start now. Start every day by changing the way you talk to yourself. This is going to be your biggest game changer.
एक छोटी सी चीज you can add, which I've added. So this is the use of the word yet. बहुत सिंपल सी एग्जांपल के साथ समझाऊंगी. जिंदगी में कुछ भी नया करने लगे हो, सबसे पहला थॉट दिमाग में आता है, oh I don't know this, so I can't do this. But just add the word yet below. I can't do this yet, or I don't know this yet. आज की reality है, you don't know this, but future reality is not the same. Future reality is in your hands to change it. So that's how you change your narrative in your head. Just start adding the word yet. It's a very small change. और धीरे धीरे you will start feeling differently about so many situations. सुनने में बहुत छोटी चीज लग रही है, but actually makes a huge difference in your life if you apply.
Words are everything. Words become things, and words really change the way that your life changes as well, And I agree, like when you say, I don't know how to cook, okay? I don't know how to cook really well. And like 2 months back, I started learning how to cook slowly. Okay. So at that point, I was like, I don't know how to cook. And I'm like, oh shit, I don't know how I'm going to do. Then I'm like, I have to stop telling myself I don't know how to cook. Because if I keep telling myself that, I will not cook. So I said, you know what? I don't know how to cook yet. But I will learn one new thing. And I actually started learning how to make new things. So really, it starts with, I don't have it yet, but I will have it in the future. Because I decide that I will change it, So yeah, for sure.
Definitely. I think यार ये चीज ना मुझे एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल ये भी याद दिलाती है. कई बार हम किसी चीज में जैसे like you're saying you're learning to, and it's a long journey, ठीक है? It doesn't happen over a day or over a week कि तुम सब सीख लेते हो. तो कई बार because we are talking about mindset, तो कई बार आपका माइंड ही आपको बोलने लग पड़ता है कि यार efforts are worthless, कि यार तुम बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हो किसी चीज में. बहुत ज्यादा ये चीज होती है जिम के साथ. I know it's the new year. Many people are thinking about building the new body because that is like one resolution a lot of people take in the new year. But yes, exactly. But क्योंकि आप you go for a month and then you leave. Why do people leave? Because तुम्हारा mind तुम्हें बोल रहा है यार एक महीने से मैं कर रहा हूँ. Efforts are worthless. It's not giving me anything. But you've not realized, you've not told your mind this simple line yet. कि मैं एक महीने पहले 31 दिसंबर को वो इंसान था जिसको ये भी नहीं पता था कि जिम में जाकर वेट्स कैसे लिफ्ट करने हैं. 30th जनवरी को मैं वो पर्सन हूँ आफ्टर 1 month जिसको अब ये समझ में है कि कब कार्डियो करना है और अब मैं वेट लिफ्टिंग कैसे शुरू करूँ. लाइक यू नो यू हैव दैट बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ इट बिकॉज you've been at it for 30 days. People don't tell themselves this. छोटी छोटी विक्ट्रीज को एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे. सबसे पहली बात तो छोटी छोटी विक्ट्रीज को एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे, बहुत बड़ी विक्ट्री को ही सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, जो कि बहुत ज्यादा एक साइन है वो फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट साइकोलॉजी. इफ यू आर समबडी ऑफ अ ग्रोथ माइंडसेट, आप हर छोटी विक्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट करो, व्हिच मेक्स अ लॉट सेंस. हर छोटे स्टेप को एंजॉय करोगे क्योंकि लाइफ तो आज ही है, जी तो आज ही रहे, लाइक इट इज इन द प्रेजेंट.
Exactly. And growth mindset is nothing but waking up every day from your bed and being like, I choose to look at the possibility. I choose to not be stuck in my situation, not be stuck by myself, by my own thoughts, by other people pulling me down. I choose possibility. कल अलग होगा क्योंकि मैं डिसाइड करती हूँ कि कल अलग होगा. बस.
Yes.
That's it. Nobody needs to tell me. कोई आके मेरे को सलाह या एडवाइस देने की जरूरत नहीं. मेरे को पता है कि कल डिफरेंट होगा क्योंकि मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ. That's it.
You know, with this
And
podcast
it's hard,
also,
but it's
हम दोनों ने यही किया है सिमरन. With this podcast also, हम दोनों ने यही किया. जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, we had no idea how to do any of it. And today, 3 months in, which is so grateful for that, first.
Yeah.
But 3 months into that journey, and today we know what, at least we fast found some kind of footing in it. We know where we're taking this and what kind of plans we have for this podcast, which is a lot of plans, by the way, to all everybody who's listening. A lot of good plans this year, guys.
Absolutely.
So, yes. But yeah, like that is the thing, यार. तुम नई नई चीजें लेते हो and then you just stick with it and then तुम अपने दिमाग में यही बोलते रहते हो कि I know where this is going. I see the possibility, even though anybody around me cannot see it. I choose to see it. Yeah. Wow.
I think if there's one thing that anybody listening to the podcast today is taking from today's episode is you start the change with your mind. So you need to start today, go back and start thinking where are those parts in your life where you are not thinking big. Because there are some places in your life you're thinking small, teeny tiny, and you're trying to build
comfortable space में हो. तुम्हें पता ही नहीं तुम comfortable हो चुके हो वहाँ पर.
Exactly. And you're okay like that. You're happy like that. So I want you to really go in there today and ask yourself, how can I start thinking big and change the way I'm looking at this?
Change the way I talk about those things. मैं अपने बारे में उससे बात कैसे कर रही हूँ, उन टॉपिक्स के बारे में अपने आप को क्या बोल रही हूँ कि is this enough या मैं और
exactly.
तो वो चीजें recognize कर वो mindset में shift लाने की जो हम बात आज से हम अपने अंदर
because
we don't want to take this because last year वाली energy हम आगे नहीं लेके जाना चाहते definitely, and we want to make this shift
100%. So I hope that, is there anything else, Isha, you'd like to add about this?
No, I think we've covered all of it, and I just want to wish everybody a very, very happy new year. I hope you have a great 2025 and it's filled with lots of hope and lots of growth for you.
Absolutely, and I'm 100% sure it will. And thank you for following us along to be on this journey with us. And keep following us along on Instagram, on YouTube, Spotify. You will find us everywhere. And we are looking forward to hearing from you as well. If there's any topics or anything you'd like us to cover for the next year, we are open books. We are here to listen to you. So please do definitely send in any messages.
Yeah, listen up, guys. Send us. We are listening to your, we are listening to you. Yes. So send us your comments. And keep supporting us. Thank you so much for all the love you've shown us. And listen up.
Listen up. That's a wrap for today's episode of Listen Up with Sim and Isha. Hope you enjoyed the conversation and make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay tuned and listen up.